Trump tax return will be made public, US House panel votes. Hi everyone, welcome to AR News. A committee in the US House of the Representatives has voted to make public 6 years of Donald Trump's tax returns. The move capped of nearly 4 years legal battle with Democrats to obtain the documents, which was ultimately decided by the US Supreme Court last month. US presidents are not required by law to release their tax returns, but for decades they have done so voluntarily. The former president has fought hard to shield the tax returns. The US House Ways and Means Committee voted 24 by 16 on Tuesday evening to publish the documents, with all Democrats on the panel in favor and all the Republicans opposed. One of the committee members, Pennsylvania Democrats Dan Boyle, said afterwards, "This is one of the most important votes I will ever cast as a member of Congress, and I stand by 100%, charged Trump with instructions," Capitol panel says. But Kevin Badley, the ranking Republican on the committee, said Democrats had just unleashed a dangerous new political weapon. Congress enemies list is back, said the Texas congressman. Every American taxpayer who may get on the wrong side of the majority in the Congress is now at risk. It is unclear when the public will see the financial documents, which stem from 2015 to 2020 when Mr. Trump was running for president and serving in the White House. Lloyd Doggett, a Texas Democrat on the panel, told the release of the files could take a few days in order to redact personal information such as Social Security numbers. The returns could offer a first-hand look into Mr. Trump's finances, including his assets, source of income, charitable contributions, and liabilities, including the possibility of loans owed to foreign entities. In 2016, Mr. Trump became the first major party presidential nominee since Richard Nixon in 1972 to decline to public release in his tax returns while campaigning for office. At the time, he said he would do so after an Internal Revenue Service audit had concluded. However, on Tuesday, Democrats on the panel said Mr. Trump was not actually under audit in 2016 and that was Internal Revenue Service did not begin their official audit until 2019. The House Ways and Means Committee had first sought the returns when Democrats looked over the lower chamber of Congress in 2019. The committee, citing a federal law allowing to the request special access to individual tax returns, said information was necessary as a part of a review of federal tax law. Republicans' critics, however, have countered the such explanation were merely an excuse to access Mr. Trump's financial documents. The Trump administration refused to cooperate with the committee request, promoting a draw-out legal battle that ended when the US Supreme Court, in an unsigned option, upheld an appellate court ruling that the Democrats were entitled to return. In 2020, the New York Times obtained leaked copies of 18 years of Mr. Trump's tax returns. In a series of articles on the topic, the newspaper reported that the president paid no federal taxes in 10 of those 18 years and only $750, €615 each of his first 2 years in the White House. It also disclosed that then president was in a fight with the Internal Revenue Service over the legitimacy of $72.9 million tax refund he had claimed and owed more than €400 million in debt due to 2024. A representative of Mr. Trump's business empire denied the accuracy of the report at that time. Official copies for the former president tax returns, which are now expected to be released before Republicans take control to Congress on 3rd January, should settle the matter. The vote comes one day after a Democratic lead congressional panel asked the U.S. Justice Department prosecute the former president for obstruction and other criminal charges related to the last year's riot by their supporters at the Capitol of Washington, D.C.